Why DIN Rail PCs matter in modern automation? The DIN Rail PC has enabled seamless integration across multiple industrial sectors. From factory automation, embedded control to energy management, and harsh environment deployments. The added convenience of snap-on shin rail mounting, combined with rugged fanless designs and compact footprints, has made it much easier for industries to achieve efficient data processing, real-time control, and reliable edge computing. What is a DIN Rail PC? A DIN Rail PC is a compact industrial computer designed for direct mounting on a standard DIN rail. Typically, the 35mm top hat rail commonly used in electrical and control cabinets. The DIN Rail PC includes mounting clips or brackets on its rear that snap or slide onto the rail, allowing secure bolting or tool-free installation. This makes them ideal for applications where cabinet space is limited or where quick modular deployment is required. Where are DIN Rail PCs used? DIN Rail PCs, with their compact snap-on design, fanless construction, and industrial-grade durability, are increasingly the go-to solution in applications where space is tight, quick installation matters, and harsh conditions are common. Taicenn T-Box 6DX8 Control Cabinet Industrial PC Series is a compact, versatile computing solution, specifically tailored for industrial applications. Featuring robust aluminum housings and powered by Intel 12th Gen Alder Lake i3, i5, i7 processors, it delivers strong performance with flexible CPU options and extensive I/O interfaces.